This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, September the 13th, 2012. Now time for the first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. That's at 1 p.m. this afternoon. You can see a trough coming down with some energy along it, ridge to the east and to the west. And with that, a cold front will be settling further into the state with some showers. Clearing in the northwestern counties could bring temperatures there at least into the low to mid 70s, while it'll be in the 60s elsewhere in the state. Friday, that storm moves off to the east. Temperatures do bump back up into at least the 70s for highs. Be a lot nicer, cooler, a little breezy, but not terribly bad. We head into Saturday. College football should be no problems. A bit chilly in the mornings, but warming quickly into the 70s in the afternoon, so there should be no problems there. Sunday, same story, no problems. Breezy, well, not really breezy, a south to southwesterly wind with temperatures in the 70s to around 80 or maybe low 80s. We head to Monday, and here comes another push, and this one's a little more fierce than this one coming through. Could bring some showers, maybe a thunderstorm or two with this push of relatively cold air coming down the pike. And it's really going to be cold here Tuesday. Clouds could see highs in the 50s, maybe a few 60s. Depends on cloudiness if we get a lot of it or not. Warms quickly back up Wednesday, back into at least the upper 60s to maybe a few low 70s. As the cold air gets shunted back north into Canada, winds switch to the south and west. But unfortunately, a week from today, next Thursday, here comes the next trough coming down behind the last one. Lots of energy along with that, ridge pumping up across the west. And another front comes down with another shot of cold air. Could see temperatures back down around 60 if this is right. Maybe some low 60s with some scattered showers about at that time. A couple days later on the 24th. We still have a zonal flow across the country, a bit of a trough, at least in the eastern half of Canada. Another upper level feature over the Sierra Nevada mountain range. Could see a few showers around here if this is right, with the main energy along the U.S.-Canadian border and the northern shore of Lake Superior near Thunder Bay or so. And at the end of the forecast on the 28th, the storm track is moved back to the north. A bit of a ridge across our area. A little bit of a weakness to our west. And with that, there could be a few showers with that in the plain states. Some rain in the Gulf Coast. New storm coming into the northwest and around here. Looks to be seasonal with highs possibly in the 70s if this is right at that time. But looking at the satellite image from last evening, we have the frontal system that's bringing the first shot of cold air. Some showers, maybe a rumble of thunder with that, extending from the western Great Lakes down into the plain states at that time. Elsewhere it was fairly quiet. Watch warning map, though, shows how the strength of this cold air is going to be. The Dakotas have a bunch of frost advisories, a few freeze warnings also in the Rockies and Intermountain West. The QPF chart seen here, this is precipitation for the next 5 days through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, showing maybe upwards of a half to 3/4 of an inch around here. The heaviest rain with an upper level feature over Texas and along the Gulf Coast.